Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Kodi on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. We're going to hop over to the My Apps and Games section. So on this home bar, just come over to the right, click on My Apps and Games, and there I downloaded Kodi recently, so it'll be the last app on this list. That's the Kodi application icon. Just click on it and you see Kodi requires access to device media and files to function. So you want to allow Kodi to access all of this device media. You want to allow access to the files. So just click on continue, click on allow, and it runs. So it's preparing for the first run. You have to wait a bit, and that is the first run. The app is launching. Here you have it. So the first category is the movies. So every movie you have would appear under this category. You have TV shows, music videos, TV, radio, games, add-ons, and even more. So what you could do is to navigate this list, find what you are interested in depending on what you have on your device. Kodi is multimedia. You can access a lot of things all right here. So under this media section, or rather movies, you can just enter this and then click on files. Choose the directory you want your files to come from. You can even add a custom directory, browse, and maybe go to your external storage device, internal storage device, local device, wherever you have the files. Select that route and then click on OK, and you have that added. So everything in that pathway or directory will be visible here. It's the same with TV shows, it's the same with music. Just do the same thing. Radio, games, add-ons, pictures, videos, everything is the same. You just need to Kodi will try to automatically source these things, but if you miss something and you're trying to get it, just look at the directory. If it's not the directory you want, you can just click on add video and source where you know the video is. Link it up and you're good to go. So that's the Kodi application in a nutshell. If you found that useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.